How you doing, folks? Mark Langley from Airborne Works and National Public Safety Drone Donation Program, coming to you from very sunny and warm California. I'm in Fullerton, California. I'm not really comfortable on video, but we're going to try to change it up in 2021. Antonio from Fox Fury says, Mark, you really got to get some video content out there, and I agree with him, because what we're doing for public safety is so important. I really want to help share the message about what we're doing, especially when it comes to the National Public Safety Drone Donation Program and how we're trying to help public safety agencies across the country get their first drone program going, and you can be instrumental in helping us get that done. And I'm hoping that if you're watching this, you'll perhaps consider making a donation to NPS-DDP.org. So I want to share with you some information. We're working on a QC study that we did down in Oceanside on the 18th, and we're working on that. And we've got this mobile mapping office that we have now, and we travel the country and we do training for public safety agencies on Leica technology, aerial drone technology. We're FLIR dealers, Leica dealers. We're also dealers for Skybrowse as well. But the study that we did, we took Skybrowse and Leica and Pix4D head-to-head, and we wanted to compare the information. And so we had some surveying company that is very professional lay down the ground control points, as you'll see in the study that we're going to publish very soon. And it really made for a great data set because we have everything very accurately done. And I've got a daughter who's got cerebral palsy, and she's been driving the country, and she's got a van. She calls it Betty White. And I told her I was getting a van, and she says, Dad, what are you going to name your van? And I says, I don't know, some guy's name. She said, no, you got to name it after a girl. So what I did is I got it lettered, and I named it after her and sent her the picture. She was really appreciative. In fact, she said, Dad, you made me cry. I think that was the intent, right? So let's take you inside the drone mobile and show you what we got going on. This is very practical layout. We got an office here. Well, let me crank the tunes down a little bit here. But you can see we're working on our study that we did down in Oceanside. And we have this area here. We got a Wi-Fi hotspot on the mobile drone mobile Nelly. And we have a big screen TV over there, a little conference table, and these little decorative panels that we created with a fractal burner, if you know what those are. We lay those down here, and then I put that one right there in the middle. And I got a great place for a mattress, so I can sleep here. Got a refrigerator, and I got some beers in there too. So if you ever come working with us, make sure you let me know what kind of beer you like. We'll get it in the fridge. And then it's a great setup where we've got solar panels going on the roof. Next week I'll be installing, so it'll be pretty self-sufficient. We'll take you in the back and show you where we keep all the drones. But I want to draw your attention to the dedication we made to the back of the van to the National Public Safety Drone Donation Program. You know, the brave men and women of public safety throughout this country have had a very difficult year, and these men and women are to be commended for what they've been doing, and they need the best possible tools. And we want to help them streamline their workflows with accident and crime scene reconstruction, but also we want to help them get drone programs going, because we all know watching this, the advantages of drone technology and how it can help save lives, how it has already helped to save lives. So if you can, make a donation to NPS-DDP and be a part of what we're doing to help other people. That would be great. We really would appreciate $5, $10 a month, whatever you can donate would go a long way. And also, if you shop on Amazon, go to Amazon Smiles. Amazon Smiles has got a program to where they'll donate 0.5% to any foundation you choose. We hope you'll choose ours. And then it's the exact same experience. They don't add anything that comes out of Jeff Bezos' pocket, and I think he can afford it, right? Yeah, he can afford 0.5%. We're kind of hoping it would be like 1%, but that's, Jeff's got to keep his lifestyle, I guess. So this is our back end where we keep all our expensive hardware. We got a safe here for all of our drones and our LiDAR and expensive stuff. And I'm just letting you know that this van is very well protected. If anybody were to try to break into this, they probably wouldn't walk away without injury. And so I'm just putting that out there as a disclaimer. Anybody sees this van, they want to break into it, that would be a bad move on their behalf. So, but we got a lot of stuff in here, and it's a great workstation for us and allows us to travel. We actually got a donation coming up on the week of the 18th in Texas. I'll be driving out there for a donation, and we'll be making that, and we'll be posting some video on that and hoping that you'll help us promote it. So throughout the year, I'm not really comfortable on video, but it's really for the benefit of the men and women of public safety and what we're trying to do to bring these solutions to light. So hope you enjoyed the video. Please watch for our QC that we're working on right now. We're crunching the numbers, making sure everything's right, and we hope to have the final report done the first week of January. It'd be a nice way to start the year. All right, thanks for viewing us, and watch for more content. Bye.